Okay, so we're going to figure out how to write our equation, our exponential equation for this graph. Remember that the exponential form is y equals some sort of base raised to a power of x, either plus or minus some number, and then plus or minus the asymptote line. So for this particular equation, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the asymptote line. You can see that for this graph, the asymptote line is here, where y equals -2. So that means that for my equation, I'm going to have -2 on the back of the equation. From this line, I know that if I go up one y value and then check to see where my graph crosses through, which is this point, that point represents what was originally the point at 0, 1. So that point was originally here at 0, 1. So this point had to have traveled left 1, down 2. It traveled left 1 and then down 2. We already have the down 2 reflected, but the left 1 in the exponent, left 1 means x plus 1. Now we have to figure out the base. So from this point that we just figured out was originally 0, 1, I go over one x value and figure out where does my graph pass through an actual coordinate, and it's right here. And then I retrace that point back in the same opposite set of directions that it just came from. It had to have gone left 1, down 2, so I'm going to go right 1, up 2 to find its original point, which ends up at 1, 3 in this case, and this value here is my base. So that's my equation. Y equals 3 to the power of x plus 1 minus 2.